Hello and welcome to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel. My name is Shannon and today we're going to be talking about the Crown Chakra and crystal healing. So if you're new to the channel, as I said, my name is Shannon and I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher and a certified gemologist, and I combine these skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, tools, and opportunities to practice incorporating crystal healing into your daily life. And chakra healing and crystal healing are very closely tied. They both examine our personal energies and how we can bring them to health and balance. Now, this is part of an ongoing series of chakras and crystal healing. And if you're interested in starting at the very beginning, I'll link to Intro to Chakras and Crystal Healing up in the eye above, and also link to the complete playlist in case you want to go along throughout the entire series. But if you already know that you're interested in the Crown Chakra, then we can dive in here. There are a couple of resources, some things that I recommend as you going along through your chakra healing journey. And one is to have a journal as you watch these videos. And right after the video and right after the guided meditations, then make sure to write down anything that stands out for you, anything that rises up, any thoughts, physical feelings, emotions, or triggers. Just write that down. And as you go through all of the chakras and all the videos, you'll be creating your own personal map of your chakra health. And then you'll be able to determine which crystals and gemstones will help you the most. So a journal is very helpful. And also we have a private Facebook group for the chakras and crystal healing series, and I'll link to that in the description below. If you'd like to have a community to share your experiences, to ask questions, that is there available for you at any time, no matter when you're watching this video. Even if it's a year after I've posted, that community will be there for you. And also, if you feel like you are attracted to Crown Chakra gemstones, then I do have a lot of Crown Chakra gemstones and jewelry available in my Crystal Healing online store, and I'll link to that below. I have bracelet and gemstone sets, pendants, tumbled gemstones that I've tumbled myself. So that's all available for you as well. And today we're talking about the Crown Chakra. And the Crown Chakra is located at the very top of your skull, the crown of your skull. Now, the psychological domain of the Crown Chakra is our connection with the divine and higher guides, something higher and outside of ourselves. So our connection to spirit guides, angel guides, animal guides, our higher self, the collective unconscious, the universe, the divine, anything that you feel connected to that gives you guidance from outside yourself with external wisdom, where the third eye chakra helped us connect with our internal wisdom. The Crown Chakra then connects us with external wisdom. It's also connected to purity and cleansing. So when you have a balanced Crown Chakra, then you feel comfortable with the idea of something greater than yourself. You feel comfortable with spirituality. Even if you don't actively practice it, you do feel comfortable with it. And you have a sense of how spirituality can support you. And this could be through a specific religion, or it could be through just spiritual paths and beliefs, or yoga or meditation, but you feel comfortable in that arena. You also feel comfortable with the idea of death and some kind of afterlife. Even if you don't have any idea of specifically what it is, you don't necessarily fear death, nor do you feel stuck in this physical body. you're able to connect with the energy of your body, with energy work, and perform cleansings of yourself, your own energy, and your environment. If you have a blocked crown chakra, and if you're curious about the specific definitions of the terms that I'm using, that is in the intro to chakras and crystal healing video. If you have a blocked crown chakra, then you just feel disconnected with a higher guide. It feels foreign, or you try to make that connection and it just doesn't feel like it's there. You feel a lack of connection to spiritual practices. Maybe you just feel adrift or even averse to spiritual practices. And I mean, you may feel like you're trapped in your physical body. You may feel like you're stuck in a negative environment. All of those things indicate a blocked crown chakra. Now, the crystals that help you bring energy to the crown chakra, open it up, get the flow of energy through it, are white and clear gemstones. Some of those are white and clear calcite, selenite, clear and white quartz, white aventurine, scolecite, apophyllite, and Herkimer diamond. And these are just a few examples. Any white or clear gemstone will help with the crown chakra. And this helps us feel more expansive. It reminds us that we're more than just a physical body, that we're an energetic body as well. It helps us feel more open, more expansive, and less trapped. If you have an overactive crown chakra, then you may often feel kind of spacey and dizzy and out there and not grounded, maybe adrift, or you prefer to remain in a meditative state. You just feel way, way open. Now, if this is something that you're feeling, an overactive chakra, too much energy in the crown chakra, then black gemstones will help you here. Now, black gemstones like hematite, obsidian, black tourmaline, all of these gemstones can help you feel more grounded in the present moment. It will bring you back to your body, to the present moment, and help you feel more focused. If you have been doing a lengthy spiritual retreat or a spiritual class or a really powerful practice, sometimes you end those and you just kind of feel really open. It's hard to focus on mundane tasks. It often happens to me after a spiritual class, and I feel a little nervous driving home in that state. So that's when I keep a black gemstone with me to help me bring myself back to the present moment, to be able to focus and concentrate on the things that I need to do. So what are some of the other practices that you can do to bring health and balance to your crown chakra? Well, as always, in all of my videos, I recommend standing barefoot on the ground because our foot chakras are a natural grounding mechanism. They help us release excess energy out into the ground or bring up more energy if we need more to a chakra. It helps us access or release that energy. So also meditation helps us as well. Just like with the third eye chakra, meditation helps us open and feel more expansive. It helps us release this feeling that we're stuck in a physical body, especially if we're imagining our own personal energy. If we can start to access our personal energy, expand it, contract it, feel it, and imagine it around us, that helps us develop our crown chakra. And also, if you start doing cleansing rituals, either in your home or for yourself, that will also help bring balance to your crown chakra. Thank you so much for joining me today to explore the crown chakra and how it can help and support our daily life, how it can bring balance and health to us. And if you found this useful, if you really want to look at the crown chakra some more, then in 2 days, I'll be posting a guided meditation to explore our crown chakra, to sit with the energy and see if it's an area that we feel is balanced or not. And you don't need a gemstone to benefit from that meditation. You can sit through that, and if it feels like you'd like to work with the crown chakra some more, then you can purchase a white or clear gemstone and do some more crown chakra work. If you're new to the channel, then I talk about a new gemstone every single week so that you can explore all the different crystals and how they can support you in your everyday life. So if you're interested in exploring crystal healing, then make sure to hit the subscribe button so that you won't miss a single gemstone video. Thank you, and I hope to see you during the guided meditation.